Assalamu alaikum everyone. In previous lecture we conduct an investigation in which our investigators Carla and Maria demonstrate that light is needed for plants to grow well. Carla and Maria measured and observed the growth of plants A and B once a week for 4 weeks. Here are the results they obtained. They measured the height of plant, number of leaves grew, color of stems and leaf, and their general appearance. And they recorded all their results in a table. After recording their result, they represent it in a chart. Now tell me, which type of chart should we draw here? Bar chart or line chart? We use bar chart when we are dealing with results for different objects or groups. For example, number of leaves of different plants. But here we are using line graph. Line graph are used when there is a smooth changes or progression over time, such as increase in plant height over time. So here we will use line graph. Here are the table. They recorded their result in a table. What they observed? They observed the height of plant, number of leaves, color of stem and leaves, general appearance. Okay. In first week, they observed the height of plant A is 15 centimeter. And in week 2, it becomes 17. In week 3, it becomes 20. Means the height are increasing. See here, 15, then 17, then 20, then 22.5 in week 4. It means the height of plant A is increasing day by day because it was in light. Now come to the number of leaves. The number of leaves in first week are 10, then 12, then 13, then 14. It means the number of leaves are also increasing day by day of plant A. These are the result of plant A. And the plant become green, green, green and green. It becomes healthy and strong if it comes to general appearance. Okay, so plant A become healthier day by day when they observe the result of 4 weeks. Now check the result of plant B. The height of plant B in first week is 16. Then in second week, it remains same, 16. In third week, the height of plant is slightly increased, is become 17. And it will remain same on week 4, means 17. So the growth of plant B is not quite healthier as compared to plant A. Now check the number of leaves of plant B. The number of leaves of plant B is 12 in initial week. Then it becomes 13. Then 11. It means the number of leaves reduces. And then 10. Okay, it's been reduces. The growth of plant B is not healthy. The plant B became unhealthy day by day. Check the general appearance. It's healthy at the starting week, then it's quite healthy, then it became unhealthy, and on fourth week it became unhealthy and weak as well. Okay, now we will present this table into a line chart. And I told you why we use line chart here, because we make line chart when there is a progression show over a period of time. Okay, so here we will label our chart like 3 boxes we take 1 week like this. Okay, week 1, another 3 boxes, week 2, another 3 boxes, week 3, another 3, week 4. Okay, we take weeks on x-axis and the height in centimeter on y-axis. Like this. 0, and after leave one box, I take 5, 10, I left one box in between them. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, this is how we put our scale. Now, on x-axis we have taken weeks, on y-axis we have taken the height of plant. Okay, here we are considering only a height of plant over the different period of time, means week. Okay, now we start to plot our chart. First of all, we make a line graph of plant A. Here we will represent plant A with line like this. Plant A with red line and plant B with blue line. Okay, so you can easily see the difference between two lines. Okay, the graph of plant A we will represent with red and blue for B. Okay, first we will make a line of plant A. So let's begin. In week 1, the height of plant A is 15 centimeter. Okay, in week 1, the height of plant A is 15 centimeter. It means it must be here 15. Got my point? Week 2 पे आ जाइए. In week 2, the height of plant A is 17 centimeter. Okay, 17 must be here. This is 16, 17. Okay, 17 must be here like this. 17. So we will make a point of week 2 here like this, 17. Okay, now come to week 3. The height of plant A in week 3 is 20 centimeter. So in week 3 we will make a point like this, 20 centimeter. Okay, here 20, here week 3. And the height of plant in week 4 is 22.5 centimeter. So where the 22.5 lie? 20, 21, 22, 22.5 must be here. Okay, so we will make a point of 20 week plant A in week 4 here, 22.5. Okay, now we will join all these points with the help of ruler. Okay, like this. We will make a line like this. Okay, so here are the line chart of plant A is ready. This is the line chart of plant A. Now we will start making chart of plant B. Okay, the height of plant B in week 1 is 16 centimeter. So we will draw, okay, one thing that we will draw the chart of plant B with blue. Okay, so you can easily make difference between it. In week 1, the height of plant B is 16 centimeter. Okay, the 16 must be here, 15 and 16. Okay, so we will make a point of week 1, 16 here. Okay, now in week 2, The height of plant B is still 16. So we will make a point in week 2. Here the week 2 and here are the 16. Got my point? In week 3, the height of plant B is 17 centimeter. In week 3, the height of plant B is 17 centimeter. So here in week 3, the height of plant B is slightly up. Here are the 16, the 17 must be here. Okay, 17, and it will remain same in week 4, means in week 4 the plant did not grow well. And you know the reason, because it was in the dark. Plant B was in the dark, that's why it was not grown well. So in week 4, the height of plant B is still 17. So here are the week 4 and this is 17. Okay, now we will join all these points with the help of ruler like this. You can also show this line chart of plant B with blue color and with dotted line as well. It's up to you. You can draw it with dotted line as well, like this. Okay. This line chart, what this? Can you read this graph? At this stage, okay, we will highlight our points. 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point and 4th point. Our line graph is ready now. Okay, now what we will do, we will read this graph. We can easily see the changes. The graph of plant A is very high. The height is increasing and it grows well. Whereas the plant B is not grown well. It will remain same in first 2 weeks and then slightly increased, and then in 3rd and 4th week it remains same. Okay, and if you see the table here, so the color of the stem and leaves become yellow green and yellow. It becomes unhealthy and weak in 4th week. And the reason is that the plant did not get proper light. The plant was in the dark, or plant need light in order to grow. Okay.
This data chart shows that plant A grew better. The data shows that it grew taller and grew more number of leaves. And plant B had fewer leaves after 4 weeks. Because plant was not getting enough light, so they became yellow. Plants need light to keep their stems and leaf green. So we can conclude that plants need light to stay green and look healthy and strong. To make sure your conclusion is true for all plants, we will repeat the investigation using lot of different kinds of plant to make sure that our conclusion is true. Okay, that's all for today. Take care, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.